Hello, smart farmers. Welcome back to Smart Farming Inside. Today, we're diving deep into the steps you need to take to start your own small agriculture farm. This isn't just about buying some land and throwing seeds in the ground. We're talking about a strategic approach that covers all bases, whether you're building from scratch or scaling up your homestead. To help you navigate through this complex process, we've structured this guide into clear, actionable sections. Each part focuses on a critical aspect of starting a farm, from financial planning and gaining hands-on experience to choosing the right piece of land and making smart initial investments. Along the way, we'll provide you with essential tips and insights to make each step manageable and successful. Additionally, for further reading and more in-depth resources, be sure to check the video description where we've linked helpful guides, toolkits, and templates that complement the information in this video and enhance your journey into farming. Understanding farm finances. First, before you start making big moves, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your personal or family finances. Set up a comprehensive budget detailing your monthly and yearly expenses. This foundational step helps prevent the common pitfall of blurring personal and business finances, which can make it difficult to measure if your farm is truly sustainable financially. Gaining essential farming experience. Experience is vital. Whether it's volunteering on a farm, growing vegetables in your backyard, or interning at various farms, these experiences will shape your understanding of the agricultural world. Hands-on knowledge will help you identify what aspects of farming you enjoy and which ones you don't. It's about learning the ropes, understanding daily challenges, and gaining insights into efficient farm management before you commit financially. Choosing the right land. Once you've got some experience under your belt and a solid understanding of your finances, then you can start thinking about land. But here's a twist. Consider leasing before buying. Leasing land reduces initial financial commitments and allows you the flexibility to test different farming methods and crops without the burden of a mortgage. When searching for land to start your small agriculture farm, it's imperative to consider several key factors carefully. These factors are crucial not only for the immediate success of your farming endeavors, but also for long-term sustainability and growth. Here's a detailed breakdown of each factor and steps new farmers can take to evaluate these effectively. Soil quality. Importance. The quality of the soil is foundational to agricultural success. Soil that is fertile and well suited to the crops you intend to grow can lead to higher yields and lower costs for amendments. Consider the following points for considering land soil quality. Testing of soil. Conduct comprehensive soil tests to check for fertility, pH level, texture, and structure. This will inform you of any necessary soil amendments and the types of crops that will thrive. Consultation. Engage with local agricultural extension services or a soil scientist to interpret the test results and get recommendations on improving soil health. Water resources and irrigation. Adequate water supply and efficient irrigation systems are essential, especially in arid regions or areas prone to drought. Effective water management ensures crop health and can significantly affect yield and quality. Steps to consider for water resources and irrigation of a land. Assessment. Evaluate the availability of local water resources and existing irrigation infrastructure. Consider the reliability of these water sources throughout the year. Planning. Look into water rights associated with the land and any local regulations on water usage. Plan for systems like drip irrigation or rainwater harvesting to optimize water use and reduce waste. Accessibility and location. The location of your farm affects many aspects of the operation, from logistics and transportation costs to access to markets and labor. Proximity to markets ensures fresher produce delivery and can reduce shipping expenses. Check the ease of access to major roads and transport networks. Evaluate the distance to local markets, suppliers, and potential buyers. Closer proximity can reduce costs and spoilage risk. Size for future growth. Choosing a plot that fits your current needs, yet offers room for expansion is crucial for scalability. As your farm business grows, having the option to expand on the same land is beneficial. Determine your long-term goals and potential directions for growth. Ensure the land is sufficient, not just for immediate use, but also for future projects and expansions. Consider potential land use restrictions or zoning laws that might limit future expansion or diversification of your farm activities. Cost effectiveness. Importance. Ensuring that the cost of leasing the land aligns with your budget is fundamental for maintaining financial health. This includes not only the lease payment, but also any investments needed to make the land suitable for farming. Review your overall budget against the leasing costs and required improvements. Calculate return on investment, expected returns based on soil productivity and market access to ensure the investment is sound. Legal considerations. Legal aspects of leasing land are critical to protect your investment and business interests. Clear and favorable lease terms can safeguard against future legal disputes and provide stability for your farm. Steps to consider for legal considerations of a land. Professional review. Have a legal professional experienced in agricultural law. Review all lease documents. Terms and conditions. Ensure the lease agreement clearly states terms regarding lease duration, renewal options, land use rights, and termination conditions. By meticulously evaluating these factors, new farmers can make informed decisions that ensures the success and sustainability of their farming operations. Taking these initial steps carefully lays a solid foundation for a productive and profitable farm. Investing in your farm. With a place to farm secured, you can consider how to invest in your operation. Initially, keep your budget lean. Prioritize essential expenses and start with basic, reliable equipment that serves your needs without overextending your budget. As your farm begins to prosper, you can invest in more advanced tools to increase efficiency and yield. Drafting your business plan. Parallel to gaining experience and securing land, begin drafting a simple business plan and a farm budget. Outline your financial goals, expected operational costs, and potential income. This plan will serve as your roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you stay on track toward creating a profitable farm. Modern Agriculture Farming Guide. Embracing the latest farming equipment and strategies can significantly enhance the efficiency and productivity of your farm. Modern technologies like precision agriculture tools, GPS-guided tractors, and drones streamline operations, minimize waste, and improve crop health. Additionally, innovative methods like vertical farming, hydroponics, and crop rotation can boost yield and sustain production with fewer resources. To integrate these advancements, start by educating yourself through workshops and agricultural shows, then conduct pilot tests to gauge their effectiveness. A thorough cost-benefit analysis will ensure these new tools are economically viable. Incorporating training for you and your staff is crucial, as is revising your business plan to include these technologies, detailing their implementation and expected impacts. By proactively adopting these modern techniques, your farm will not only increase its output, but also remain competitive and sustainable in the fast-evolving agricultural sector. Thank you for tuning in to Smart Farming Inside. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with fellow farming enthusiasts. Let's grow smart and farm smarter. Remember, every big farm started with a single seed. Stay tuned for more insightful farming tips and tricks in our next video. Until then, keep nurturing your farming ambitions. See you next time.